Thanks for joining us here on Living 808. Time now for the latest in real estate news. And today, Kay Mukaigawa of Engel & Volkers is talking mortgage interest rates with a special guest.
Today, we're delighted to have Lorelei Nishiguchi from Primary Residential Mortgage joining us to talk about one of our favorite topics, mortgage interest rates. Welcome, Lorelei.
Thank you, Kay.
There has been a lot of news recently that interest rates are starting to come down. Certainly good news for our home buyers out there. And I can also imagine it would be a good opportunity for those with existing mortgages. So what are you hearing and what are you seeing from your clients?
Well, thanks, Kay. Yes, lower rates will always be welcome news for everyone. The interest rate environment hasn't been quite favorable for homeowners to refinance, and I'm seeing many families pulling money from their home equity lines of credit or HELOCs, maxing out their credit cards and basically living paycheck to paycheck. If we see a drop in interest rates, this will help people who bought homes or got a mortgage in the past 2 years by giving them an opportunity to refinance, thus lowering their monthly mortgage payment.
You know, I just had a conversation with a classmate who luckily got a 3.5% mortgage. So while their mortgage payment is low, she's saying their home equity line of credit or their HELOC payment went up and they don't know what to do because their monthly bills are so high. So what would you advise someone who has a lower rate on their first mortgage but is in a situation like this?
Yeah, Kay, you know, unfortunately, we see this daily. Customers call us saying that their low introductory rate on their HELOCs has ended and their payments tripled. This combined with credit cards, auto payments, they're looking for relief. We typically analyze their monthly cash flow and run numbers to see if doing a debt consolidation refinance would be helpful. Or for our senior homeowners, maybe a reverse mortgage could be an option. But even though it will improve their monthly cash flow, many people are just so in love with their low mortgage rate and they cannot imagine giving this up to consolidate their debt and refinance to a higher rate. But is this the right thing to do? Well, here's an example of someone I recently helped. They had a 3.5% rate with a $1,400 monthly payment. You add their HELOC payment, credit card, and auto loans. Their monthly payment was $3,600. We helped them by doing a $460,000 bill consolidation refinance, which included all of their monthly balances at a 6.75% rate. Higher rate, yes, but their new total monthly payment is now $3,000. There are definitely pros and cons to consolidating debt, but for this family, the $600 monthly savings was huge. It was a game changer.
That's awesome. $600 is a lot of money. And I can see how cash flow is so important. I gotta ask, so are interest rates good? You know, I'm ready to refinance, and what should I do now? A lot of people are asking this question. What do you have to say?
Well, it's always best to start the process before the rates are low. Many people come to us when everyone is refinancing, but maybe their income documentation is incomplete or their credit and their credit scores has some deficiencies. You might not get the best rate. I suggest talking to your favorite lender, or you can visit us at berefiready.com, and it will explain the need to prepare early and how we can help.
Great information, and thanks for being here. You know, it's important to be ready at all times, and you guys have a lot of information with your seminars. And thank you to Lorelei from Primary Residential Mortgage for this very helpful information. If you have any questions or would like to get in touch with Lorelei or their team, give us a call at 808-725-2000, and we promise to connect you. We look forward to seeing you next week, Tuesday. And let Engel & Volkers Honolulu help you live Akamai.
All right, thank you. Good information.
It is, and it's an exciting time with the interest rates dropping. A lot more buyers are getting out there. So if you're interested, of course, hit them up, talk to Kay, and talk to your local lender to see what you can get out there.
And they have seminars, so go ahead and contact Engel & Volkers, and Kay Mukaigawa has a great plan and setup for you guys. Lots of great information.
Definitely, and it's free to get pre-approved. So definitely just go out and, you know, you might be surprised with what you could be approved for.